What's up, guys? Today we're gonna try the Superman Dairy Queen. So this is some like a cookie dough. So I'm gonna try it. And also there's gonna be separate video. I'm gonna try the Takis Wendy's, by the way. So here we go. Let's try this Superman Dairy Queen. All right, 1, 2, 3. Oh. So, you're wondering what I think about it. Tastes good. I like it. I like the flavor. It tastes nice, like it tastes like kind of cooking and cream, but it's not, but it tastes good, I like it. So do I recommend you to try this thing? Yes, I recommend you to try this before you go away. So yeah, all right, bye. And also I see you at home. Goodbye. All right, I'm back in home. All right, so I got my Takis. And also, there's something on the message. Takis. Whoa, you went Takis. You're in messing around. That's an all-in go for it. Got nothing to lose choice right there. We're impressed and a little scared. NGL means not gonna lie. So what's the next move? Gonna finally ask them out? Maybe make the side Ginge, the main Ginge. G-I-A-G. Get 2 Takis for a go. Chicken sandwich next time? Whatever it is, there's no going back. Wendy's. Yeah, it was saying that right there, so I'm just telling you. Alright, let's start this. So, I was just taking a picture with them so you see the trigger just out. And I got a large Sprite. Alright, they say that shake the bag, tear the top, eat the fries. Alright. Shake, shake, shake. Shake, shake, shake. I hope there's no powder falling down. Shake, shake, shake. Shake, shake, shake. I can smell that goody pattern, the Takis. You just check them out. There we go. Well, there's a freaking Chick-fil-A next to the Wendy when we just went there. They're just building there, so yeah. Ooh boy. That's how it look like. Yeah. Alright. Let me try this pattering Takis. So 1, 2, 3. Okay. Wendy's are cooking up something. Okay, I like this, okay. Yeah, this one is good. I like the fries, like they cooked up. Wendy's are cooking up with some goody idea. Alright, next one is the burger. Takis burger chicken. Do not microwave, no color car in L. Oh wait, it was saying the Spanish. I don't speak Spanish, but I wish. Wendy's collab with Takis. Oh, I hear a lot of people do not like this, so I'm gonna give it a try. So I'm gonna give my own opinion, okay? I'm not gonna listen to them, okay? I'm just gonna give my honest thing. The fries was good, so now let's try this. Alright, the inside, that's how it looked like. Ooh. My dad and me, when we saw this, it looked like barf, but okay, I'll give it a try. So here we go. 1, 2, 3. Alright, alright. Tastes good. So, but is it really that good? Yeah. It's just good, you know. It just tastes good. It's not really that good, but it just tastes good, you know. The spicy is good and everything. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, they give me the Takis mini. I already know how Takis tastes like. Yeah. Oh yeah, don't forget about my DQs on the. So yeah, that's pretty much it. So did I recommend you to try this too? Of the Wendy's Takis collab? Yes, I recommend you to try it. It tastes good, you know. Don't taste that bad. So yeah. Like they did well with this thing, by the way. And also the Dairy Queen. Dairy Queen did well with the Superman. So yeah, that's pretty much it. So bye. See you next time. Goodbye.